The PowerPlane-Laser 3G Pro Multi-18V from Laserliner. Precise alignment at the highest level and perfectly integrated into existing 18-volt tool ecosystems. 18-volt high power for full performance on the job site. Rugged, water-resistant, and ready for professional use. With the separately available power adapters, the PowerPlane-Laser 3G Pro Multi-18V integrates seamlessly into existing cordless tool platforms. With one horizontal and two vertical 360-degree laser circles, the laser projects clear reference lines onto walls, floors, and ceilings. Using the remote control, the laser circles are activated directly and precisely adjusted around the center point via the rotary wheel. Tilt mode detects unintended movements of the laser and helps reliably prevent measurement errors. Thanks to center point technology, the plumb position remains stable while the vertical laser circles are precisely aligned. For slope applications, the laser is tilted using an optional angle plate. The slope values are displayed precisely as a percentage. The base plate, with 5/8 and 1/4 inch threads, as well as the USB-C connection, offer practical flexibility for professional use. The PowerPlane-Laser 3G Pro Multi-18V from Laserliner. Maximum flexibility and precise alignment for professional use.